Hello guys and welcome to this YouTube tutorial. We are going to learn how to extract a logo from an image and to get the various layers of the logo all using Adobe Illustrator and Photoshop. Cool. Now let's get started. So here is the image we want to extract the layers of the logo from. Now open Adobe Photoshop and create a new document. I am using Adobe Photoshop 2020. Create a new document with width and height of 1000 pixels. I'm going to name it Logo Image. Now click OK. Now drag your logo image into the new document. Resize the image to fit the document. Go to Image on the menu bar. Click on Adjustments and on the drop-down menu select Black and White. Select OK and you will see the color change. Now go back to Image on the menu bar. Click on Adjustments and select Curves from the drop-down. Adjust the input to about 100 and select OK. Now click OK. Now go to File, select Export and choose the file name and location. I'm going to name mine Logo Image 1. Now let's open Adobe Illustrator. I am using Adobe Illustrator 2017. OK. Now create a new document. Now drag your image exported from Photoshop into the document. Adjust the image to fit the screen. Now go to Window on the menu bar and select Image Trace. Increase the threshold to 255. The threshold should be based on how rough the edges of your lines are. I am going to reduce mine to 200 since my edges are not too rough. Now click on Trace. Click on Expand at the top. Right-click on any layer and select Ungroup from the menu. This is done to retrieve the individual layers. Now go to Window on the menu bar and select Layers if you haven't. Now, as you can see, the various layers of the logo has been broken down. To obtain the original colors, drag the original image into the document. Select the layer you want to change color and click on the eyedropper tool from the toolbox. Now select the original color. Do same for all the other layers. You can also make adjustments to your specifications and export.